Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a quick box opening on my WatchGang Black membership watch from September. Now if you're unfamiliar with WatchGang, it's a monthly watch subscription. You pay a fee, you get a new watch every month. There's different tier levels. There's the original, the black tier, and the platinum tier. I only do the black tier anymore. When I signed up it was $99. Now I believe it is $149, so it's $150 now on the black tier. WatchGang also does wheel spins and all kinds of giveaway and promos and a lot of fun stuff, so there are benefits to joining WatchGang. Now guys, if you're interested in saving some money on watches, I've got promo codes from Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast. And if you're into old cars, make sure you check out my other channel, Mileage Unknown. Before we really dig into this, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing my hybrid mechanical watch from the electricians. I love this thing. It is so flippin' cool. Now I know I am super far behind on doing anything watch related. I don't know if I've just been burned out or lost a little bit of the motivation, but I'm trying to get back into it and hopefully I have some other cool watches coming up. So it looks like my subscription watch for the month is a TSOVET. And I don't think this is a brand I've received from WatchGang yet, so let's take a closer look. Got kind of a nice little hard case for this one. Wow, and I can't tell if that's the color blue or if it has a little bit of a tint to the plastic on it. Let me pause for a second. Yeah, I've got some plastic on it. Let me pause for a second and try and get all the plastics off. Alright, so we've got most of the plastics off here. Part of the reason why I wanted to pull them all off was to get a better look at the dial. Sometimes I've seen plastics throw kind of a tint to it, but I am really digging this dial color. So it looks like this one's a model TS-4002-88. Like I said, it's not a brand that I've had before, and I'm not sure if I've seen a whole lot of these go out with WatchGang either, so it's kind of cool to get something different. Now originally it seemed like most of the automatics I get from WatchGang have a display case back, so when I first flipped it over I was like, got another quartz watch, but this one is an automatic movement, so pretty excited about that. It's been a few months since I've gotten automatic from WatchGang, and we have a nice buckle. Instead of just a stamped steel buckle, we have a nice buckle. I am digging the dial on this one. Now something I found interesting as I was pulling the plastics off is the bezel rotates extremely freely. There's no clicks at all. So I'm going to have to do some looking into that and see, is that how it's supposed to be? Just seems very easy to move this bezel. So I'm digging the color combo for sure. It's got a nice color combo on the dial. I really like that. Let me go ahead and pull off my electricians really quick so we can get a little bit better look at this one on my roughly 7-inch wrist. It's funny, my girlfriend was harassing me that I say roughly 7-inch wrist, but I know that people want to have an idea on the size. Now it looks like I would be removing at least 3, maybe 4 links out of this one to get a proper fitment. But overall, the case size and thickness looks pretty good on my roughly 7-inch wrist. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.